watched this far, thank you. I really appreciate your time and appreciate your attention. And I wanted to let you know some exciting news that I have 2 openings in my studio. So if you're watching this, please write me a note on my website, leave a comment. I have a comment section on my website, which I read all of them. I'll be happy to reply and let you know if we can work out some lessons, and I can help you maybe with this book or some other etude books or scales or exercises or something else. I've already helped thousands of people learn how to play violin, and I can help you as well. So let's talk. The link is below. Thanks.